Something could be haunted by you, haunted by you. Scammer shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Scammer shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
So we are in Best Buy and let's go look at the cameras. That's crazy. This is the Canon G7X. What's the difference? Video camera, digital camera, I guess. 50mm lens, period. 6100. I'll put 600. Okay, I'm about to fight because where is it? Sony Z50. Let me Google it because I'm pretty sure I saw that it was on here. Be for real. Be for real. No, we're gonna talk to people.
Parts stores, camera centers,
Okay.
and revamped the one in St. John's Town Center. So usually they're the ones that carries mostly all the cameras.
Okay.
So they may be shipping from that store, if not from our Orlando district warehouse.
Yeah. Okay, so I really need to get me a new car mount because the one that I have, it just will not stick to it will not stick to the windshield to save its life. And the one that was, maybe it'll stick to, hold on, no, I don't even have the other attachment because it'll be upside down. Or maybe y'all could just look at me upside down. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so yes, y'all, I did not get a camera. As you can see, the camera that I wanted was not there, and I didn't even realize it. I guess you just basically have to order it and it'll ship to the store and I just pick it up from there. But anyways, I'm getting ready to go on the base so I can grab some groceries. I need to not take all day. What is this, Daytona Beach? I need to not take all day because I still have to go pick up. No, I need to go home. I need to shower because I haven't showered since I left the gym. So go home, shower, eat a little snacky snow. Grocery store, home, shower, eat a little something, and then take Ghost to his appointment. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car. Where did we leave off? Oh, I was in the grocery store and my phone, not my phone, my memory card on my camera was full, so I had to stop recording. But yeah, I got my groceries, I got some gas, and then I went home and showered because I just had to get out of them clothes and shower because I couldn't keep going around like that. It's 4:26. I'm about to be late for Ghost's appointment. It's in 3 minutes and I'm 25 minutes away. Look at this. Like, y'all, he was just puny. Son, Ghost, Hi, buddy. Oh, thank you. Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the bed. Oh, boy, this slobbery looking. Nasty. Okay, y'all. So we are in Target. I honestly really want to have like a normal stroll in Target, but my son in the car, so I'm low-key stressed on the inside. It's the time that I'm getting ready to finish up the kitchen, because there's a few things I want to do left to it. Is it over here? What's up? I'm good. What's up? Okay, y'all. I found them. Cute. $4. They're really pretty. I don't know how many ounces these are. What is it? This 15 ounces. I feel like it's enough for oatmeal. But then, baby, we got this. I just like the lid, honestly, but that's a little OD. So I'm thinking, should I do the bigger one, or would this suffice? Yeah, I'm about to flip a coin. Whatever coin says what I'm going with. I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit. So yeah, I'm getting ready. Like I said, I'm ready to go to the gym. There's a couple things that I did want to tell you guys before I made it there, because I know when I get in the car, I'm gonna be blasting music. But I'm starting 2 new challenges. I'll tell you guys about the first one now, and then the second one I'll tell you about it later on in the vlog. But I don't know, in order for me to somewhat be consistent, like I kind of sort of have to like challenge myself. So yeah, I had to create a challenge, and this challenge that I want to do is called the 31 Day STAIRMASTER Challenge. That's what it's gonna be. So I saw a girl a while ago on TikTok. She did hers for 45 days. So basically it's 45 days on the STAIRMASTer, 45 minutes. I don't know the speed that she did, and I also don't know if she did it like every day back to back. But me, I want to do 31 days, 31 minutes, and I want the days to be back to back. Usually when I go to the gym throughout the week, it's about 4 to 5 days throughout the week, and usually on those days I lift. So I'm still going to lift 4 to 5 of those days, but the other 2 or 3 that I don't choose to lift, or you know, yeah, that I don't choose to lift, then I'm still gonna go, but I'm only gonna do the STAIRMASTer and maybe like some ab workout. I don't want it to get too crowded in the gym. Oh, look at my room, yeah, look at my walls. Yeah, so I'm gonna make my little juicy juice, put my shoes on, grab my stuff, and we gonna head to the gym. Okay, real quick, I wanted to show you guys real quick. So y'all saw what I used for the green juice, but now I want to show you what I use for my pre-workout, because working out with pre-workout is like, what? Okay, but anyway, so I use this, the little paper that was on there is off, but I'll put it on the screen. So this is I believe it's called Lit, something like that, pre-workout. And then I also use Oxy Shred. This here is a thermogenic fat burner in the flavor honeydew melon. Yeah, anything gym related is pretty much on my Amazon storefront. It'll be linked under, what is that? I'm gonna work out for real, or I'm for real this time. I don't know, it's something funny, but yeah, all of my anything, gym anything, supplements, gear, anything, it'll be in there. So go grab you some. Yeah, it's the next morning. So I did go to the gym. Did I even get some clips? No, because I was on the phone running my mouth right before I went in, and then I just got out the mood of recording. Like, I don't know, like, it's not like I don't do, okay, sometimes I don't always do what I'm supposed to do. But anyways, I'm doing it today. It's late, so it's like, because I don't really like going to the gym. Can y'all see? Hold on. So yeah, I'm going to the gym. It's a little late, and I'm a little like, just because yesterday, like, it did start to get a little crowded. Old me would have been like going to the back, like it's a little back room or whatever. Like if you have a certain type of membership, you got access to it. I do have access to it, and it was more so like in the beginning, I was scared to work out in front of the men, sisters, or you know, just pretty much anybody, because everybody just be going, you know what I'm saying, they doing their thing, and they all fit, doing their, having their forms, what looks to be right or whatever. And you got me trying to come into the gym and keep up with the Beverleys, but like, hey y'all, okay, so I'm back from the gym. I went ahead and showered and everything. I ate, did I eat? No, I didn't. I made myself a protein shake. I'm not done drinking. Where is it? It's 7:30. And I still need to meal prep breakfast, dinner, and I'll do lunch like as the day comes, you know, because I don't want the sandwich to be all like weird. Last thing I got, I'm so happy. Okay, so we have Miss Sony herself, period. Okay, so the one before this was the A5100. This one that I'm vlogging on right now is the Sony ZV-1, and it's good, but I'm really clumsy, y'all. Like how I drop my phone, thank God it hasn't broken like my cute cases, and my script can be saving it, but I drop my camera just as much as I drop my phone. It's so bad, y'all. It's so bad. But sometimes, like, the camera, like, if I don't know, I reset the settings, so I don't know if it's actually doing it, like, you kind of see? Like, it don't catch the, like, it don't focus as fast as it needs to, and sometimes say, like, I don't know if it's doing it right now, and if it is, y'all, this whole time, and I ain't even peep, I'm sorry. But it, like, it's trying to catch me while I'm talking, because sometimes I'm talking with my hands, or even if I'm not like super close, I'm like kind of like far to distant, it does that number too, and it overheats. I might get a cool 30 something. I think it got up to 40 minutes before, which is cool, but it's just like if you're doing like a haul and you have like more than 5 outfits, like it's gonna die or it's gonna overheat and then you gotta wait to finish it. Like, no, I wanna do it all in one sitting. So yeah, those are the biggest 3 things: the overheating, the having to charge it all the time, and it not catching. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do a side by side of this and this. so we can actually see if there's like really a difference. And if there's not, in my mind I feel like there's a difference, so yeah. But I won't be able to know like for real until like I edit the footage. But this is the camera only. Okay, so this is it. She's cute. Okay, let's relax. Wait, okay, yeah, she's cute. Okay, I had to think like, okay, it's cute. It's just, it says the brand, like the name here, Sony ZV-E10. It's in 4K. The bomb thing about this one compared to the other two Sonys that I have, the lens are interchangeable. Let me see, can I take it off? Oh, there's the button. So I guess you just push that button down and twist. Stop me. But yeah, it's an interchangeable lens. So like, I'm just about to get y'all content. Ooh, let me not do too much. Let me see, fingers crossed, hopefully it's charged. English, okay. Wait, maybe I should do this like this. Set, yeah. New York, Bogota, sure. Yeah, we in business. Okay, so, is this on video? But I can see myself though.
What?
Okay. Okay, so it looks, it's good, but like it's all zoomed in. Like, can y'all see? Like it's zoomed in anyway. So this is this camera, and this is this camera. Right? Ooh. Yeah, the one I'm holding is the new one. This is the old one. So, I mean, I really can't see a difference, honestly, other than it's like all zoomed in. So, I don't know. I guess we just gonna have to like wait till I edit. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like I'm more browner on this one compared to this one. Like, I don't know. But yeah, just the difference. Hopefully it's a major difference. But let me make my oatmeals. I'm gonna do it on this one.